Hey, welcome back. My next video will be a review of this Aurora A5, a tiny little powerhouse of a flashlight. Then I'll do a review of this Pilot Pereira fountain pen, which Amazon hasn't shipped yet, but will be here soon. Promise. But today, let's take a look at the QSP Neckmuk. So it's a Neckmuk style knife, but it's a neck knife. And my intention for this knife is to be a possible replacement for my MORA Companion in my little tool bag that I use when I'm here at home and I'm working in the orchard. And this one is in carbon steel. I didn't mean to do that, but I did it. Look at that dirt. Dang, I should have pulled it out and looked at it first. I use this. I use it really, really, really hard, which I should have got stainless instead of carbon, but I just like carbon. And I dropped it in the yard, and it rained and rained and rained, and then I found it again, and that happened. I can clean it up, and I will. It's still a great knife. But I just want something different. Another good option would be a case sod buster. This is a great folding workhorse of a slip joint. And I like slip joints. I just like them. I don't know why, but I just do. I mean, locking blades are totally legal here. Where I live, I could carry anything I wanted to. Technically, I couldn't carry out the front. That's illegal in North Carolina. But I live in the country, and people tend to just leave you alone in the country and let you do what you want to do. So I don't think I would get any trouble carrying out the front automatic knife. But I just like slip joints. I don't know, something about them. I just like them. So that's an option, and I have used this as a work knife. This is more of a truck knife. I just throw it down in the door of my truck, and it bounces around, and perfectly good work knife. Nothing wrong with that. I've also used this. This is the Sabord. This is just a friction knife. It's not even a slip joint. Love it. Love that blade shape, and it's a great size. And ergonomically, that handle is really comfortable. So that's a good option for a tool pouch bag for me. But I've always wanted one of these up ever since they came out. And I just like the looks of it. It's got a duck head. But that just feels great. And I've held them before in different places, but I have never owned one, so I just wanted to own it. Not an expensive knife at all. $40 now at most, 30 to 40. Got some great jimping on the back, and you really, I mean, you're locked in. That is a really secure grip. My pinky is wrapping around there. These three fingers have got grooves that just fit perfectly for me. I could put a lanyard on there. It's probably plenty big enough for 550 paracord. I don't think I'll put a lanyard on it. And it's got a great belly to it. Look at that belly. All right, we'll look at some dimensions, and we'll look at the sheath and how it comes packaged. Okay, we're on the QSP website here. They're calling this a neck knife. The mechanism is a fixed blade. And the name of the knife is the Neckmuk. So it's a take on the Neckmuk knife, but it is a neck knife. So it's a Neckmuk. It's D2 steel, satin finish. Handle is G10, and it comes in different colors. This is the red. Looks kind of orangey red, not really fire engine red. It is not as deep a red as a Victorinox Swiss Champ, but it is more similar to the red that you would see in the MORA line of knives. Maybe a little bit lighter shade. That's probably not coming through very well on a camera. It never does, but a nice color. And I got red because I will lose this. And I want every advantage of finding it again, so I don't want to step on it or run over it with a lawnmower or something. Overall length is 6.5 inches or 165 millimeters if you're into that kind of thing. The handle, 3.625 inches or 92 millimeters. The blade is 2.875, so a little over 2 3/4 inches. 73 millimeters. And the blade shape, they are calling this a drop point, but I would say definitely, you know, it looks like a Neckmuk knife shape. So it's very flowy and ergonomic, bent with lots and lots of belly. So a good slicing blade. Not a long blade, but I ordinarily don't need a long blade. I just need something that I can control really well. When I'm harvesting, especially harvesting in the garden, I like a long blade, especially for things like cabbages where you have to get, you know, way underneath a big plant and cut it loose. But this, for most tasks, I think this will be just fine. So it came in a cardboard box with a chain, necklace, a couple of stickers, and that was it. And that's what the box looks like. Neckmuk, QSP, and that's it. Weight is 3.8 ounces, so it's under 4 ounces. Came with a really, really, really good fitting Kydex sheath. And it's got a bit of a, I wouldn't call it a thumb ramp, but you can just bump it off. So I'll find a way to attach this inside my tool pouch. Not sure how yet. I'll rig something up. And I think that will make a great garden knife. The designer is Arthur Brown, and there is his signature. D2 steel. And the QSP logo. This Kydex sheath also has a weep hole in the bottom to let water drain out. This did too, but it was just sitting in a puddle of water, so that didn't help. And on the website, they have it listed at $39.85. I paid a little less than that, and let's look and see what the color choices are. A black, brown, green, and red. Okay, well, thanks to everyone who has subscribed to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.